Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Kia Soul. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, not hot, as this helps the oil drain more efficiently. Then, safely raise your Kia Soul using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Now, place your drain pan directly under the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the oil drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out immediately. Let it drain fully, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area and reinsert the drain plug with a new crush washer to prevent leaks. Next, locate the old oil filter. Unscrew it counterclockwise, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on hand tight. Now, using a funnel, slowly add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the engine's fill port. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. After adding the new oil, start your Kia Soul and let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate. Turn off the engine, wait a moment, then recheck the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Also, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.